My hernia occurred when I was doing yard work, but my yard is not the typical yard. My yard is a cleared hillside forest. So I was pushing a lawnmower the wrong way, and then I felt something.
The hernia occurs with time, typically. The tendon, the fascia, gets weak. The fascial fibers start to splay over time, usually with overuse. People who work out a lot, people who do manual labor, people who like to pick up 100 pounds of firewood and drag back to the house. With time, everything degenerates, and the abdominal wall will do the same thing.
Mr. O'Brien had a very classic inguinal hernia, and he wasn't somebody that was lifting a car and all of a sudden had a big blowout. He just had noticed some pain and discomfort in his groin, and that's how most inguinal hernias start. I had this little discomfort, and now it's kind of gotten bad, and it's starting to give me some pain, and I noticed a little bulging. And so he sought us out because he looked on the internet and said, hey, I want this done in the best way possible.
My process was colored because my wife had undergone a Da Vinci procedure 5 years ago, and we were very impressed with the way her recovery went. Very, very quick. The minimal invasiveness of the procedure was very, very good. So we combined our search with a hernia-centered facility and one that also employed the Da Vinci technology. That led us to Longstreet Clinic. I would certainly refer other patients to the Longstreet Clinic because I found there that everyone in the office, from the doctor down to the receptionist, all seemed to be on the same page as to what this injury means and feels like and how they're going to get you through it to recuperate. And I sensed that in everybody there. So every time I went into that office, I felt calmer. I felt like these were people who care, and these would be people who would take care of you.